In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw transfer of ownership in Google Sheets. If you've sent a file ownership transfer by mistake or changed your mind, you can cancel it as long as it hasn't been accepted yet. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few tips so you know what to look for. Start by going to Google in your browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct account that owns the spreadsheet. At the top right of the Google homepage, click the grid icon, also known as the Google Apps Launcher. This opens a panel of Google services. Click on Sheets to open Google Sheets. Once you're in Google Sheets, open the document where you previously initiated the ownership transfer. It helps to double-check you have the right file, especially if you manage multiple versions or similarly named spreadsheets. In the spreadsheet, look to the top right and click the Share button. This opens the Sharing Settings panel, where you can see everyone who has access to the file and their roles. You should also see any pending changes you initiated, including a pending ownership transfer if one exists. Find the person you requested to transfer ownership to. Next to their name, click the drop-down arrow by their permission. If a transfer is still pending, this is where you'll see an option to manage it. From the drop-down menu, click Cancel Ownership Transfer. This selection tells Google Drive that you no longer want that person to become the owner. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you intend to stop the transfer. Click Cancel Transfer to confirm. After this, the pending ownership change is withdrawn, and you remain the owner of the spreadsheet. It's a good idea to glance back at the sharing list to ensure the pending status has disappeared and that the person's role is set appropriately, such as viewer, commenter, or editor, depending on what you want them to have. If you do not see the Cancel Ownership Transfer option, a few things might be happening. The recipient may have already accepted the transfer, in which case they are now the owner and would need to transfer ownership back to you. It's also possible you're viewing the file from a different account than the owner account, so verify you're signed in correctly. Refreshing the page can also help if the sharing panel was already open when you arrived. That's it. You've successfully withdrawn a transfer of ownership in Google Sheets.